Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas. It is March the 22nd, and it is Fed Day. I'm not going to go into all that. You guys know what it means. But anyway, what we want to do is look for some really good setups. It's all about the setup when I present these. You're not going to find me chasing a whole lot. So luckily, I have Trade Ideas, uh, incredible software that can find me these setups just by using the many filters that it has. And what I've come up with today is I'm really liking this Asan. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, there we go. Uh, Yesterday, it did tag that 10 period moving average. This is after earnings. Okay, so what we'd like to do is find some movement above this maybe 2-day high here if you want to be aggressive. Of course, some people would not want to buy it until it got above like 23.80 or something like that. But I like to anticipate and get them a little bit early. I actually bought this one yesterday off the 10 period moving average. Uh, Workday is setting up for a nice move. I'm going to set that a little bit higher there. You can see the level of resistance. If it ever gets through there, it could be very explosive when you have that much resistance and it finally pounds its way through. AI is one that I bought yesterday and finally popped above all its moving averages here. This is somewhat low float, 86 million, big short float in it. Could see a nice move there in AI. And Rita is another kind of heavy short float of 40%. And boy, that is setting up juicy right there for a potential move to this March high going back over here. All right, guys, that's about it for the day. There's more out there, but you can find them on my list. Keep it tight. Watch for the Fed meeting. Have a great day.